Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. You are watching this video because you had interest in the Power BI workshop. तो इस वर्कशॉप में क्या होने वाला है, क्यों ये वर्कशॉप आपके लिए सबसे अच्छा रहेगा, उसके डिटेल्स आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर in this particular video. In fact, many questions I've got related to the workshop. So the first question which I've got related to the workshop is this workshop paid or is it free? So the answer is straightforward. It is a paid workshop. It's not a free workshop. It is not an introductory workshop where you come to the program, you listen about the program, and then you enroll into it. No, this is a proper workshop. You're going to be doing training hands-on for 8 hours in this particular day. So it's going to be hands-on training. It is going to be a complete learning experience. And that's why it is a paid workshop. I want all those interested people only enrolling for the workshop. So I'm going to open up the slideshow about this workshop. I'm going to share that with you right now. So if you are able to see the screen, Power BI workshop, NGS Professional Academy, and moving forward, we are here going to unleash the power of data with Power BI desktop. And in this workshop, we are going to do that. Now, similar questions like why should we attend this workshop? What's going to be there in it? See, for this 8 hours, what we are going to do at the start, we are going to have your laptops checked before the workshop itself. Before 2 to 3 days of the workshop, we'll have your laptops checked, proper systems installed, proper data sets installed, so that on the day we don't, lose out on any time. And also, guys, I want this to be clear. You have to get your own laptop. Just understand this. आप लैपटॉप लेकर आओगे, आप उस पर सीखोगे, फिर घर जाकर आप उस पर कंटिन्यू करोगे, अपनी प्रैक्टिस करना कंटिन्यू करोगे आप. व्हाट इफ आप किसी और का लैपटॉप लाते हो या फिर हम लैपटॉप आपके लिए अरेंज करते हैं? वैसे हो सकता तो नहीं है वो, लेकिन अगर ऐसा होता है तो आप वहां पर आके तो सीख लोगे, उसके बाद घर जाकर फिर भूल जाओगे आप. द पॉइंट एंड डेवलपमेंट विल ओनली हैपन इफ यू प्रैक्टिस रेगुलरली. आपकी प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए रेगुलरली, तभी जाके आप इम्प्रूव कर पाएंगे आपको. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि दिस वर्कशॉप, ये वर्कशॉप के एंड में, by the end of 8 hours, by the end of the day, you will be able to generate, okay, you will be able to do it by yourself, interactive dashboards, interactive reports you can make, so that you can make decisions for the business. अब यहाँ देखो, these tools को जो use करना है is little bit, but how do you use it, how do you present it when someone is not telling you anything? जैसे कि ये रिपोर्ट बना दो या वो रिपोर्ट, जैसे कि ये बिजनेस ग्रो हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, इसकी रिपोर्ट बना दो. You should be doing it by yourself. No one is going to come in the office and train you, okay, do this, do that. Nobody has that time. So you guys need to invest in yourself, learning this, understanding how business runs, understanding the perspective of the business owner. I'm saying it once again, understanding the perspective of the business owner. You will be able to understand it in the workshop and further go ahead with it. ये भी सवाल आता है कि सर, this workshop is going to be for one day only. How are we going to, complete it one day itself? Well, this workshop is highly suited for those individuals who are doing the CMA, ACCA qualification. उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा suited है, क्योंकि उनके पास already कुछ knowledge रहती है. You already have knowledge related to accounting, finance and stuff, reporting and stuff. And now how do you present it more visually and more appealing way? This workshop is going to be for you guys. So in a day, we'll be able to complete it. And also we'll be having some, ongoing upcoming sessions online. Few hours of online training, few hours of recorded sessions will also be provided to you. Some extra recorded sessions so that you understand that how you leverage it and go forward with it. So this workshop is going to be on 23rd of July, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Madhapur, just opposite Image Hospital. Just opposite Image Hospital in Madhapur, this workshop will be done. And lunch and refreshments are included, and the workshop fee is 3,000 rupees. And if you want to enroll further and, on an early bird basis, then this, you have an early bird offer also. So avail it. You will be getting the registration link in the description below also. And also I'll be sharing this slide with you guys. You will be having all those stuff. Then further on, hands-on training, we'll make sure that you are well equipped at the end of the workshop, because I'm going to train this workshop. I have trained hundreds of students on Power BI and different business analytics tool. And also I've been training people for the CMA, ACCA qualification. So understanding business and presenting information in a more presentable and understandable manner, this is what is the key for this workshop. And making use of all these tools, making data models, doing data visualization, data mining into it, we are going to enjoy a lot. I'm really excited for it. So who should attend? If you just see in here, business professionals, managers, IT professionals, students who are aspiring to become a business analyst, this is going to be the best for you. This is going to be the start for you. Further on, I can guide you how you can be a full-fledged business analyst. It's a process. This one day can get started with you. In fact, if you just see this Power BI or any of these tools, you can learn it online over internet, over the YouTube. Everything is available for free. But why do you choose to come in here? See, over the internet, you will not find a trainer sitting with you, looking into your dashboard, saying what you are doing wrong. And if you are stuck somewhere, how you can grow further ahead from it. What's the problem which you are doing, what you were not able to understand. I'll be able to explain it to you. I'll be looking into your system that, okay, this is not right. This can be right for you. I'll be doing that for you. And that's something where your learning will happen. I hope you guys get it. Then these are few videos, okay, from our previous sessions. I'm not going to play it for now. You guys can go ahead, and I'll be once you are interested to it, I'll be sharing the brochure. And this brochure, there is some students where I have trained business analytics and other business analytical tool. So you guys can go through it. And for now, I'm going to move forward. The best thing why I would say to attend this workshop is that by the end of it, you will be decision makers based on this data, not just creating data, not just presenting data, but also making decisions on these data. And you guys can do it too. These are a few students who have already attended the workshop, and that's what they have to say about it. You guys can go through it. I'll be sharing this slide with you, this brochure with you. And then the registration details on this brochure itself, you guys can just go ahead. There are limited seats. You can just go ahead, click on this registration link. And once you click on that registration link, you can directly go towards the place where you can pay for it, register for it. And if you just see here, there is an available offer also. If you can just go towards get this course, put down your some details like, you know, what's your number, what's your name, which state you're coming. Most of this workshop is going to be in Hyderabad. So I want you guys to be enrolling from there only. Those who want to enroll for the online class, I'm going to share some other details for it. But for now, this is going to be the best thing. You can just go ahead, read about the course, what else you're going to get from it. And also by the end of this session, okay, by the end of this session, you guys will be given certifications for it. And that would be highly advantageous for you to add on into your portal and show that this is what is you have achieved for. So I hope that this session, this particular video which I have made was highly helpful for you. You got a lot of insights out of it. If yes, then join in. What are you waiting for? I'm looking forward to train you in that workshop. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the workshop.